Okay, so we're videotaping the 6-inch line from the manhole at the clubhouse downstream. You can see the tie-in, which would come from the condo next to the clubhouse. We're going to pull the camera backwards towards the manhole. So we're in the downstream manhole, approximately 25 feet down the line. We're going to pull the camera backwards.